and I'm from Bitsnpieces, and I'm going to show you how to put plastic over octagon windows where you have no place to staple. This is just a quick DIY. Time to re-winterize the front door and my octagon windows. The octagon windows have leaks since the day I bought them, and we're just not ready to replace them. And this is like the fourth door, I believe, on the front. I tried mahogany doors, the first three. The first one they ordered the wrong jam with because I built with 2x6s, and they replaced that one. The second one, it split, and the company did not put any directions on how they wanted it sealed. They didn't give any directions on how it should be installed. Lowe's went ahead and gave me a third door. That one split, and all three times, and the company was here when they brought the third one. Somebody from Lowe's, that they were here while we uninstalled and unpackaged, and all three doors did not have any, and they said that was part of their quality insurance. But unfortunately, Lowe's has not dropped that line. But with this last door, they did give me a price break. I had to pay the difference between the mahogany door and the Pella, and it's a polycarbonate, and this is on the west side of the house. This one has delaminated. The seals are starting to rot. We don't use it. As you can see, there's no wraparound porch, there's no steps to it, so I'm going to put plastic around it because we're going to go with a steel door. I'm going to take out the side lights. I thought they were pretty, but it just gives more places for it to leak. I'm going to give you a close-up of the metal we have on the front, because we were going to put a wraparound porch on and we didn't. We had one horrible hailstorm, and let's see if I can get pan in here. You can see there's all sorts of dents. We have some holes in our siding we need to get replace our siding. Like I said, it was golf ball size hail. It knocked out my skylights on my RV. It broke out the back window on my car, and we're just praying we have no more storms like that. But I'm going to show you how I do the plastic around the octagon windows. And I use it to wrap around the trim that holds the siding against the windows. do recommend you don't do it on a windy day. What I did is I took the nylon fishing line and tied it where it would wrap underneath that channel, and I held tension at the I put it on the top, and then I held tension, and then I slowly worked it around as I stretched the plastic, and it's held for all year till the plastic rots away. So I hope this has helped you, and come back and join me in a couple more weeks. So be sure and